Alam niyo ito? Alam niyo yan? Pero na lang kanina umaga. Ikaw, Cesar, alam mo yan? Hindi mo pa napanood yan? Ring of Fire? Lord of the Ring movie. Lord of the Ring movie. Okay? As per story, itong singsing na to, the way it get hold of you, para mahawakan ka ng singsing nito, is, pag ginamit mo daw ang singsing na to, its power para sa sarili mo. Okay? The way it get hold of you when you use it for yourselves. If you use the power of the ring for your selfish reason, if you do it, it will take control of you. Kanang mula, kung makasarili, malalaman mo na, it will take over you. The more you think living for yourself, the more self-centered ka, the more you live for yourself, malalaman mo, the less you actually have control in your life. Habang iniisip mo makasarili naman din yung power ng ring, gano'n ang mangyayari, at marirealize mo na lang by the end of the day, wala na pala akong hawak sa buhay ko. That's the Lord of the Ring. Nung backtrack po tayo, alam niyo naman yan? Ate AJ, alam mo yan? MJ, alam mo yan?
Star Wars.
Star Wars, hindi ko na malaman kung napanood ko yan eh. Star Wars, no? Star Wars, meron si Luke, asa si Darth Vader, no? Darth Vader. Initially, si Luke daw was overpowered. He was losing badly. Natatalo na po siya. Okay? Because of itself, sarili niya. Bakit? Because he was so angry with his dad. Galit sa tatay. The more angry na ginagawa niya, the less powerful he is. The more he think kung paano siya inabandon ng kanyang tatay, how hurt he was, and all his mind was just taking revenge, paghiganti. The less strength, the less powerful, and the less control of himself. Bakit ko sinasabi the Lord of the Ring? Bakit ko sinasabi itong Star Wars? They have the same principle. The more we focus on our selfishness, and the less God has control over us. Pag inisip natin sarili natin, puro sarili natin, si God less control of us. Pag si God ay less control of us, sino may control sa atin? Di ang kalaban. How do we control or maintain our position in Christ? Paano natin ma-maintain? Meron pong tinatawag na Bunyan Pilgrim. No? Progress thought. Yung pag-iisip po, no? Bunyan Pilgrim Progress Thought. Ito yung nagmula kay John Bunyan. Pilgrim's Progress Thought is a foundational Christian allegory that teaches life is a spiritual journey. Alam niyo yung pilgrim? Narinig ko lang yan. Malimit niya marina. Nung pilgrim kami sa Middle East, pupunta doon sa magpipilgrim, no? Ang pilgrim pala is a spiritual journey from sin to eternal salvation. Pilgrim, sabi po rito, ni Bunyan, is when he start walking down a center line. Okay? He gets on a center line at lumalakad na po siya ng diretso. He does not go to the right or to the left kahit half an inch. Diretso lang po siya. Bakit? Kasi nasa kaliwa at nasa kanan niya may mga leon rushing to him. At ginaganon siya, ano yun?
Wow.
Hindi ka, hindi ka naman rar. Gano'n eh. Ano? Mukhang pusa yun. Hindi, ano yung claw niya? Gusto kang abutin. Di ba? Kanan, kaliwa. Gusto kang abutin. Kaya siya, diretso lang ang lakad. He could not deviate an inch. Ganun po kay straight. So he walked down trembling with his claws. With the claws of the lion at both sides of him. Ito pa sabi niya, no? If we walk right down the center, turning not off to the right, off to the left, and watch and see what happened. Sabi niya, if we belong to Christ or Jesus Christ, we have been translated out of the kingdom of darkness into the kingdom of light. No longer does Satan has power over us. Yung kulay pula ang warning po sa atin, unless we go to the right or to the left. If we give opportunity to the devil, ay, pambihira. Welcome na welcome yan sa kanya. Again, the power of Satan is broken. Pero kung we initiate or we deviate and allow him to come in, that is another story. How do we maintain our position in Christ? Put on the whole armor of God. Hindi mo pwede isuot lang yung helmet, sinturon. Kailangan na kompleto eh. Kompleto. And if we do, we will be strengthened by His mighty power and we will be able to stand or withstand. Hindi natin kakayanin, kapatid. He is powerful. Pero may butas. Vulnerable siya.